RBC Mobile app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and check if your RBC Mobile app is updated or not. Head over to your Play Store and then search for RBC. Now once it is so, if it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Tap onto it. It will list down all the applications that you have installed or that you have in your device. Here at the search bar, type in RBC Mobile. Tap onto your app and go below onto storage. Here, clear the cache. Once done, tap on clear data. Also be noted, if you delete this application's data, it will delete your saved login history. If you would still like to continue, then tap delete. Then come back. On your bottom right corner, you will see force stop. Tap onto it and tap OK. Once you do all that, restart your device, get logged into your RBC mobile app again, and that will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.